question is, an inductor of 20 mAh, a capacitor of 100 microamp, and a resistor of 50 ohm are connected in a series across the circuit. Across the source of EMF V is equal to 10 sin 314t. The power loss in the circuit is, we need to find the power loss. And the formula to find the power loss is V0 square R divided by 2Z square. Here we are given the value of L, that is 20 mAh, capacitor C is equal to 100 microamp, resistor 50 ohm, and V is equal to 10 sin 314t. Now, and V0 is equal to 10, where V0 is equal to 10 and omega is equal to 314. So, with the help of this, first we'll find the value of XL, that is W into L, where W is equal to 314 and L is equal to 20 micro mH. So the value of XL will be 314 into 20 into 10 raised to minus 3. That will turn out to be, XL will turn out to be 314 into 20 into 10 raised to minus 3 will give us XL, value of XL to be 6.28. After solving this, we will find the value of XL to be 6.28 ohm. Now we'll find the value of XC. Value of XC is equal to 1 upon WC, where we know the value of W and C. W is 314 and C is 100 micro F. So the value of XC will come out to be 31.8 ohms. Now we got the value of XL and XC. Now with the help of this, we will find the value of Z. And Z is equal to R square plus XC minus XL whole square. We know the value of R, that is 50 square, XC minus XL 31.8 minus 6.28 whole square, and this will give us the value of Z to be 56.1. Now we have the value of Z also, V0 also, R also. Now with the help of these values, we can find the value of R, that is power loss in the circuit, and V0 is equal to 10, R is 50, Z is 56.1. So when we will solve this equation, the value of power loss will come out to be 0.79 volts, which is the second option. Now let's check the answer. It's 0.79 volts.